Hello students, welcome to the Winsome digital platform of Winsome International School. So in our last session, we did adjectives chapter 3 for our SOF Olympiad. Today, we are going to practice some questions regarding it. So take out your pencils, your notebooks and please be ready. Our question 1 is, fill in the blanks with the most suitable adjective. With a dash diamond necklace on her neck, looking so beautiful and expensive, the lady's friends and relatives believed her husband was rich. Now dazzle, dazzling, dazzled and dazzle. What does dazzle means? Dazzle means shining, okay? What does dazzle means? Dazzling means or dazzle means shining. So the necklace is still on her neck with a dash diamond necklace on her neck, looking so beautiful and expensive. The lady's friends and relatives believed her husband was rich. So dazzle, क्या वो चमक ही रहा है? नहीं. Dazzling. Why? See. Because the necklace is shining. चाहे वो लेडी पहने या नहीं पहने, चाहे वो लेडी बॉक्स में रखे या उसको बाहर रखे, the necklace will keep on shining. So what we will use? We will use dazzling. The name of the dash soldier of Indian Army was again upon the lips of all the people. Now see, victorious, victory, victories and none of these. What does victory means? Victory means triumph. जो जीत होती है किसी चीज में, अगर हम लोग किसी चीज में जीतते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? विक्ट्री. विक्ट्री मीन्स triumph. So the name of the dash soldier of Indian Army was again upon the lips of all the people. Victories are the number of victories you have taken. For example, if you have won numerous battles, अगर आपने बहुत ज्यादा battles जीते हैं तो वो plural हो जाएगा ना, वो क्या हो जाएंगे? victories हो गया वो with the IES. Victorious is a quality. What is victorious? Victorious is a quality. So what will come here? The name of the victories, the name of the victorious soldier of Indian Army was again upon the lips of all the people. कि उस सोल्जर के बार बार डिस्कशन हो रहा है, कौन? जो बहुत ज्यादा विक्टोरियस रहता है, जो बहुत ज्यादा जीतता है, चाहे वो किसी भी बैटल में जाए. Whenever the boss is in bad mood, he becomes dash to everyone. Pleasant, delightful, obnoxious. Now what does pleasant and delightful means? Pleasant and delightful means happy, good. जब हम बहुत ज्यादा हैप्पी होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा खुश होते हैं, तो अपन कैसे मूड में होते हैं? अपन प्लेजेंट मूड में होते हैं, अच्छे मूड में होते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज obnoxious? Obnoxious is unpleasant. Obnoxious is unpleasant. Terrifying, bad. So जब भी बॉस क्या होते हैं? बैड मूड में होते हैं, तो वो कैसे हो जाते हैं? सबके साथ अनप्लेजेंट हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही मस्ट हैव टॉक्ड रूडली टू अदर पर्सन्स. वो लोग सुनते नहीं होंगे किसी की, तो कैसे हो जाते हैं? बॉस जब भी बैड मूड में होते हैं वो obnoxious स्टेट में चले जाते हैं. एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज obnoxious स्टेट ऑफ माइंड? Obnoxious means unpleasant. I hope you are getting your answers correct. If not, make sure to revise chapter 3. The dash boy had asked that I might visit him in his prison. Condemned, both A and B and none of these. See, what is condemned means? When you are found guilty. When you are found guilty, then the punishment which is served, that is known as condemned. For example, if someone is found guilty, अब जब वो पनिशमेंट फेस कर रहा है उस चीज की, तो वो क्या होती है, वो होती है कंडेम्डमेंट या कंडेमिनेशन. सो कंडेम मीन्स पनिश. Okay, but here the dash boy had asked that I might visit him in the prison. Now boy is there, so punish will not be used. What will be used? Condemned. Why? Because he is already being held by the bars. वो already जेल में है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने कुछ ऐसा काम किया है. ठीक है, वो already prison में है. Now past tense will be used, and condemn or condemned. What is in the past tense? Condemned. Okay. ED. A dash tree had fallen across the road, blocking the way of passerby. Now what does across the road means? See, for example, this is the road. If you want to pass from here to here, then this is known as crossing the road. Okay. Now what are passerby? Passerby means people who are walking in that road. Okay, जो वहां पे चल रहे हैं लोग, उनको क्या बोलता है? Passerby. Now fragile, miniature, gigantic, feeble. What does miniature means? Yesterday also we did this. Miniature means small. Gigantic means huge. Feeble means weak. Okay, and fragile also means weak, not very strong. A dash tree had fallen across the road, blocking the way of passerby. Now can a tree be miniature? No. Can a tree be weak? Eliminated. Which is the option left? Gigantic. कि वो जो बड़ी सी ट्री थी वो सड़क पे गिर गई और उसने सड़क को ब्लॉक कर दिया. That's why the people are not able to pass that road. The people are not able to cross that road. 7th question. Daisy gave an dash performance. Everybody in the audience was thrilled to see it. What is the meaning of thrilled? Thrilled means to be surprised. But see, you are getting surprised, but in a good way. You feel good after seeing that thing. Okay, that means that you are thrilled to watch it. कि आप खुश हो रहे हो किसी को देख के, तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि you are thrilled. Now डेजी ने ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस दी कि सब लोग ऑडियंस में थ्रिल हो गए. Now what are the options? Exuberant, cheerless, gloomy, none of these. Now cheerless means dull. Okay, gloomy means sad. Okay, and exuberant means very much or excellent. So what will be the correct answer here? Daisy gave an exuberant performance. Everybody in the audience was thrilled to see it. If the people are thrilled, if the people are happy, then can the performance be sad and dull? No. These options are eliminated. Which is the positive option left? A. Okay. Which type of performance she gave? Exuberant. Okay. Relations between China and Russia were in a dash state before the dissolution of the Soviet Union and the establishment of the Russia Federation in 1991. Now see, fragile again means weak. Healthy, I think you know the meaning of healthy. What does firm means? Firm means strong. Same with robust. Robust also means strong or healthy. See, now the relation between India and China were in a dash state before the dissolution. Now a negative word is there. Before the dissolution of the Soviet Union and establishment of the Russia Federation. अब जब दो पार्टीज अलग होगी तो उनके रिलेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे या वीक होंगे? उनके रिलेशन वीक होंगे. सो कैन यू सी एनी वर्ड विच इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू स्ट्रॉन्ग, कि वो रिलेशन टेयर अपार्ट हो रहे हो? उससे रिलेटेड कोई वर्ड कैन यू सी? Only one is there. So A option is the correct answer. That how the relation between India and Russia became the relation became fragile. Weak हो गए relation. Despite passing her driving test in first attempt, she is a dash driver. Now see, whenever you see this word despite, then always make sure that the answer will be contradictory. Okay, हमेशा बात कुछ और हो रही होगी और आंसर कुछ और आएगा. Now see, despite passing a driving test in first attempt, कि उसने अपना ड्राइविंग टेस्ट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पास कर लिया, but she is a dash driver. Hideous, terrible, repulsive, none of these. What does hideous means? Hideous means weak, बहुत गंदा. Okay, extremely bad. What does hideous means? Hideous means extremely bad, कि बहुत ही ज्यादा गंदा हो. What does terrible means? Same, terrible also means bad. What does repulsive mean? See, repulsive means when you are not able to think properly. When you are quick to decide something, okay? When you are quick in taking actions. This is known as repulsion or repulsive. कि for example, अगर आपको किसी ने हर्ट किया और आप ज्यादा उस पर सोचोगे नहीं, आप क्विकली एक्शन लोगे कि नहीं, आई वॉन्ट टू टेक रिवेंज फ्रॉम दिस और दैट पर्सन. सो दैट इज नोन एज रिपल्शन. व्हेन यू आर क्विक टू डिसाइड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कोई हॉट सरफेस है और अपना हाथ वहां पे टच होता है, अपन फटाफट वहां से हाथ हटा लेते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज रिपल्शन. ओके, व्हेन यू आर quick to decide something. So can repulsion be the answer here? No. Despite passing a driving test in first attempt, she is a terrible driver. कि उसने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पास तो किया, बट वो कैसी ड्राइवर है? टेरेबल है, अच्छा ड्राइव नहीं करती वो. 10th question. I hope you are getting your answers correct, students. My mother is a and dash cook who is always trying new recipes. Dangerous, valiant, courageous, adventurous. Now what does dangerous means? Dangerous means जब किसी चीज में खतरा हो. Okay, when it is not safe to use. Courageous means हिम्मत. Okay, adventurous when you are trying new recipes or when you are trying new एक्टिविटीज. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ लोग आपने देखे होंगे कि कुछ लोग रॉक क्लाइंबिंग करते हैं, है ना, बंजी जंपिंग करते हैं. ऑल दीज स्पोर्ट्स आर नोन एज एडवेंचरस स्पोर्ट्स. तो जब एक्टिविटीज को करने से एड्रेनलिन रश होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एडवेंचर. My mother is a and dash cook who is always trying new recipes. Now, which type of cook her mother is? So our question 11 is, choose adjectives from the given options. Repulsive, repulsing, repulsion and repulsive. Now see, what is repulsive? When जब हम कोई एक्शन करें और उसका रिप्लाई देना हो, उसका जो कॉन्सिक्वेंस होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिपल्शन. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई हॉट सरफेस है, अपन उसको टच करते हैं, अब हम उसको टच करते हैं तो फटाफट जो हाथ हटता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिपल्शन. ओके, क्विक एक्शन, जो एक्शन होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिपल्शन. क्विक एक्शन. नाउ सी, repulsive, repulsing, repulsion and repulsive. What will be the answer? Repulsive. Why? Because adjectives are the qualities. It is a describing words. और ये तो terms हो गई, जो quality है वो क्या होगी? Repulsive. Okay? Moving on. Elegant, elegances, elegance, एलिगेंटली. नाउ व्हाट डज एलिगेंस मीन्स? एलिगेंस मीन्स एकदम प्रॉपर, बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत परफेक्टली जो चीजें होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एलिगेंट, अट्रैक्टिव, ब्यूटीफुल. अब क्वालिटी है, क्वालिटी का कौन सा वर्ड है? एलिगेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शी इज अ वेरी एलिगेंट लेडी. वो कैसी लेडी है? वो बहुत ज्यादा एलिगेंट लेडी है. 13th question, ambitious, ambition, ambitions, none of these. Now what does ambition means? See, अगर आपका कोई सपना है, ठीक है, और आप उसको पूरी तरीके से उस पर मेहनत कर रहे हो, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एम्बिशन. मतलब एकदम पूरा जी जान लगा के उस चीज पे मेहनत करना, ठीक है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एम्बिशन. तो अगेन एडजेक्टिव्स आर क्वालिटी. तो एम्बिशन और एम्बिशंस तो नहीं हो सकता. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज अ टर्म. ये एक मैन के लिए यूज होगा, एक पर्सन के लिए यूज होगा. सो अ पर्सन हैज टू बी एम्बिशियस. यू हैव टू नोट इट. जब भी OUS आता है, OUS इज जनरली डिनोटेड फॉर पर्सन. ओके. zeal, zealots, zealot and zealous. Now see, what does zeal means? When you are very much confident, when you want to achieve anything, जब आप बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो, मेहनत करो, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? zealous. Okay, so again it has to come for a person, right? क्या zeal, zealots, zealot ये पर्सन के लिए यूज हो रहा है? नहीं, these are the terms. Can you see the OUS term here? This is the answer. Now this trick can be followed in exams also. For example, if you don't know any word, if you don't know the answer of any word, और आपको OUS दिख जाए, so straight away go with that. Why? Because OUS comes for person. Moving on, mystery, mysteries, mysterious, none of these. Now what does mystery means? Mystery means unsolved things. Okay? जो चीजें सॉल्व नहीं हो सकती, जिसको हम जानने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा उत्सुक है, पर हम उसको सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे, दैट इज नोन एज मिस्ट्री. ओके. सो अगेन we have to find the person. Why? Because quality. So mystery तो टर्म हो गई, cancelled. Mysteries कि ये सारी कहानियां हैं जिसके बारे में अपन को नहीं पता, so that is also cancelled. Mysterious, OUS. For example, he or she is a mysterious person कि हमको कुछ पता ही नहीं है उसके बारे में, वो अपने आप में ही रहता है, we don't know anything about that. Okay, so mysterious is the correct answer. So moving on with the next SOF previous year questions. First question. Thomas wondered if his decisions were picturesque, plinth, prudent, principal. Now what is picturesque? Which is visually attractive. Which is visually attractive. Plinth is, प्लिंथ क्या होता है? प्लिंथ एक स्टेज होता है जिसके ऊपर कुछ भी बने, कोई बिल्डिंग बने, कोई टावर खड़ा हो, कोई फ्लैग होइस्ट हो, तो वो जो स्टेज होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्लिंथ बोलते हैं. प्रिंसिपल I told you, rules and regulation. And prudent is showing care. What is prudent? Showing care for the future. So what will be correct? Thomas wondered if his decisions were prudent. Means Thomas सोच रहा था कि क्या जो उसने decisions लिए वो सही है फ्यूचर के लिए. So what will be the answer here? Prudent. The toys were ragged and dashed due to constant usage by children. अब जो toys होते हैं, जो बच्चे बार बार यूज करते हैं, तो कैसे हो जाते हैं? खराब हो जाते हैं, फट जाते हैं. So can you see worn in, worn up, worn out, worn around? What will be the answer? Worn out. What does worn out means? जब constant usage से चीजें क्या हो जाए? खराब हो जाए. His answers to the question were caring, iconically, arbitrary, abscond. What does caring means? Caring means to show care, किसी का ध्यान रखना, केयर करना। आइकॉनिकली, व्हाट डज आइकॉनिकली मीन्स? फेमस। नाउ व्हाट इज आर्बिट्री मीन्स? आर्बिट्री मीन्स रैंडम choices. Arbitrary means random choices. And what does abscond means? Abscond means leave hurriedly. जब जल्दी जल्दी कहीं से जाना हो तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? abscond बोलेंगे. So what will be the answer? His answers to the questions were arbitrary, means randomly उन्होंने क्या किया? 4 ऑप्शंस में से कोई भी एक वो टिक करते गए. So what will be the answer? C option will be the answer. Fourth, the blunder that you have created this time is huge. Dash, way we approach it, it can never be ratified. Ratified means to make it correct. And blunder means, blunder क्या होता है? जो big mistakes होती है, बहुत ज्यादा, जो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी गलतियां होती है उनको क्या बोलते हैं? ब्लंडर. ओके, क्या बोलेंगे उनको? ब्लंडर. सो द ब्लंडर दैट यू हैव क्रिएटेड दिस टाइम इज ह्यूज. डैश वी अप्रोच इट, इट कैन नेवर बी रेटिफाइड. विच एवर वे, कि कोई भी वे से हम उसको अप्रोच करें, सही करने की कोशिश करें, वो नहीं सही हो सकता. ओके. The dash circle of corruption starts at a very low level, but there isn't any end to it. A, vicious, venial. B, vivacious, vigor. See, vigor means physical strength. Vigor means physical strength. Okay. Vivacious means attractive. What does vivacious means? Attractive. What does venial means? See, venial means which we can forgive. Okay, which we can forgive. कि कोई गलती को माफ किया जाए, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Venial. Okay. Now what does vivacious? Vicious means? Vicious means cruel. Again, what does vicious means? Cruel. Venial means to forgive. Okay, या forgive किया जाए किसी को. Vivacious means attractive, lively. What does vigor means? Vigor means physical strength. तो जो सर्कल है करप्शन का लो लेवल पे, वो क्या होगा? Vicious होगा, cruel होगा. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next session. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.